In this video we will change some CSS and some icon and for our using purpose, more using for looking nice. When you come here, this icon is rotated. We will try to implement this rotate function, and first of all this icon is not look good, so let me choose another icon. There, this one is nice. Let me copy this and paste. Okay, not necessary. Here we can use this drop down line. Okay, for this here icon does import from IO. Okay, so this is copy this and add this area. This will come. Okay, now we need to some rotate effect here. Need to add. So then we add those rotate effect. For this add operator, we go into the CSS and we need to add one more classes for this one. The class name. Drop arrow. Okay, we name this drop arrow, so we need to go to a CSS. Okay, here we can add this and background color red. It is coming. Okay, or one thing we need to CSS some changes, because if you go into this icon is very closer to the text, so if we want to change this nav link SVG, we going to this is SVG, or how you will see if you go to the here and I click on this is the class is SVG. Okay, class is SVG because you see that is the SVG. Okay, so we will use SVG and we will add the margin, padding margin left 5 pixel is enough, 5 pixel. Okay, and we change the color view also, color light black. Okay, now it is coming. Okay, next we need to work on here in this. If you add your hover, we need to, whenever we need to rotate, so rotate 180 degree. Okay, come, that is rotating 180. This is very fast, is rotating. If you see, rotating is very fast. So for this we will animation transition some millisecond, it is in out, so it is rotating. Okay, and after removing the hover, it is rotating very fast. Okay, for this case we can also apply transition for this case without hover. Okay, and let me see what is the final result. It is looking nice. Okay, and in this video we also make the customize this icon using an SVG, and we can make icon. For this case we are making another folder, that is command, and this command we making icon name, that is logo, and there is two folder. One is index.js and style.css. Import style.css. Okay, we need to add this in JavaScript, and we define the class. Now we define the function com logo and return logo, that is divided in deep tag. This is React. Okay, and we export this file. So this function export default. Okay, com logo, and we access this in header and directly. Okay, here logo, that is importing. Now we'll see. Okay, some video. Okay, that is, we name this styles. Let me change the name. Now it is coming. Okay, let me add one more thing to the icon. Import So for this case, some icon shop. Which icon? Let me have this icon. Okay, form, React icon, and BS. Okay, this is coming. This is look like this. Let me add this icon view also. Import from React icon, same, and there will be FA. Now this look like this, so not looking good. This empty box, this so looking okay, and that will be HI. I am looking this part and I changing this. Okay, so it's looking okay. So now we define the class and we customize this class name sub icon okay. So let me access this part in CSS, card icon, and we add the font size. Sorry, that is a pointy. Font size 10 pixel. That is very small. Let me, this is 50 pixel. Okay, looking good. Then add position relative, button 10 pixel. Okay, top left 10 pixel, uh, 9 pixel is okay. That is not 5 pixel. Is okay. And this part is text. Class name com logo. Font size 30 pixel. And sub icon we need to add font size 55 pixel. Okay, and this position relative, left 5 pixel or more 8 pixel or more. That is not 70 pixel. Pixel enough. This icon is not looking good. Let me interchange the position. Not top 10 pixel. No, sub icon is not looking good. Remove the sub icon, and this is also looking nice. And if you have any customer design is make it, that will be nice. Okay, and we need to add some cobalt color. Now text color, let me add white, but we will change. We need to color and we add here. Okay, color equal to var okay, and now icon color, we need to add some more deep. Let me add white, and we will select color from here, and that will be deep more. Okay, now it is okay. Let me add this in and this is already hard coded border button. This one, okay.